Assalamualaikum dear viewers. This is a washing machine. Customer has called me no power. Then we have checked this PCB board has gone. Need to replace. So I spoke to customer. We'll use the Universal PCB board. This Universal can use all the model, most of the model without inverter. This is the PCB board. If the original discontinue or in the market not available, so you can use the universal PCB board. It's very easy to install. So let's check. I have checked, everything is okay, working fine. Because before also so many washing machine I have used, and this board is long lasting. It's very good performance. There is a diagram, you can read the diagram, so very easy to install. So this is the board. So I'll fix it back, then we will be back, dear viewers. This is the final looks. He's the owner. He's very happy. He can use his old washing machine. That's he's very happy. So dear viewers, thank you. That's it. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. This is the final looks.